Droneshield Limited is a leading global company specializing in counter-unmanned aerial systems, C-UAS, more commonly known as counter-drone solutions. Their core mission is to detect, identify, track, and mitigate threats posed by malicious drones and other unmanned systems, UxS. Here's a breakdown of what Droneshield does. 1. Detection and tracking. Radio frequency, RF, sensing. This is a primary method, utilizing AI and machine learning to detect the radio signals emitted by drones and their controllers. This allows them to identify drone types, locations, and directions. Sensor fusion. They integrate data from various sensors, including radar, for motion tracking, detecting drones that might not emit RF signals. Optical cameras, including electro-optical, infrared, and thermal cameras, often used to verify, classify, and track targets detected by other sensors. Their DroneOptID software uses AI-driven computer vision for this. Acoustic. Comparing the noise of drone blades or motors to a database of known acoustic signatures. AI and machine learning. These are central to their technology, enabling accurate identification, filtering out noise, and adapting to new drone threats. 2. Mitigation, defeat. Smart jamming, soft kill. This is their primary method of neutralizing drones. Their devices emit radio waves to disrupt the communication between the drone and its controller, forcing the drone to land, hover, or return to its operator. A key advantage of this method is that it's non-destructive and generally safe for humans and the environment, preventing collateral damage and allowing for forensic examination of the drone. Integrated solutions. Their systems can be integrated with other, hard-kill solutions like kinetic effectors, e.g., Epirus-Leonidas high-power microwave systems, when a more forceful neutralization is required, particularly for military applications. 3. Product categories and deployment. Droneshield offers a range of hardware and software solutions designed for various operational environments. Dismounted, handheld, wearable, RF Patrol Mk2. A wearable, passive, non-emitting, UAS detection device for real-time situational awareness. Drone Gun Mk4, Drone Gun Tactical, handheld drone disruption devices. Immediate Response Kit, IRK, combines detection and defeat capabilities in a portable kit. On the move, vehicle, mobile, Drone Sentry X Mk2, a multi-system detection and disruption solution designed for integration on vehicles, vessels, and other mobile platforms. Expeditionary Fixed Site, EFS, kit, transforms the drone Sentry X Mk2 into a temporary fixed site solution. Fixed Site. Drone Sentry, a modular, scalable system for permanent installations, e.g., airports, critical infrastructure, military bases, that integrates various sensors and can autonomously detect and defeat threats. Software. Drone Sentry C2, command and control software for managing and monitoring counter-drone systems. DroneOptID, AI-powered computer vision software for optical detection and tracking. Sensor Fusion AI, a 3D data fusion engine for complex environments. 4. Key applications and customers. Droneshield solutions are utilized by a wide range of clients globally, including military and defense forces, for battlefield protection, base security, and preventing intelligence gathering by adversaries. Government agencies, including law enforcement, intelligence communities, and border security. Critical infrastructure, protecting power plants, data centers, water treatment facilities, etc. Public safety and events, securing stadiums, concerts, and other large gatherings. Aviation facilities, protecting airports from drone incursions. Correctional facilities, preventing contraband delivery via drones. In essence, Droneshield is at the forefront of providing advanced, AI-powered electronic warfare and counter-drone technologies to address the rapidly evolving threat posed by unmanned systems.